Welcome to a new era in packaging excellence with the WishFiller Paper Crinkle Machine. First, let's talk about efficiency. Our paper crinkle machine utilizes cutting-edge crinkle cutting technology to transform ordinary paper sheets into beautifully crinkled stripes. Not only does this enhance the visual appeal of your packaging, but it also provides superior cushioning, ensuring your products arrive in perfect condition. And let's not forget about durability and efficiency. This paper crinkle machine features a compact design with an 8-liter bin capacity and a robust duty cycle, which means you get consistent, high-quality crinkle paper with minimal downtime, making it the perfect addition to any busy workspace. Upgrade your packaging game today with the WishFiller Paper Crinkle Machine, where efficiency meets durability for the ultimate in protective packaging.